My name is Nevada Belendra. I'm the CEO and founder of Dispersa. This is a startup that I founded about 5 years ago during my undergrad at McGill. At Dispersa, we transform food waste into surfactants. What are surfactants? This is a technical name for soap, basically. And at Dispersa, our entire mission is working towards decarbonizing the surfactant industry. The microbes I was exploring, they produce a natural alternative called a biosurfactant that is free of palm and free of petroleum and is a natural alternative to one of the most important chemicals we use in our daily lives. My passion is always deeply rooted in how could we use science to solve everyday challenges and how could we create a better future. And I became more passionate about it because sustainability is more than just the environment. It's also how it impacts us and our health. For as long as I can remember, McGill was always my choice for university. I knew that health sciences was what my passion was at the time, and McGill having such a strong program was what really solidified everything for me. I participated in the Dobson Cup, and that was a really great experience in connecting with other entrepreneurs in the McGill ecosystem, sharing each other's journey. And I'm a true believer that it takes a community to build a startup. And so we are very thankful, and I personally am thankful for those that I met throughout my journey who contributed to where we are today. I really want this to be something that not only myself, but our team who's working so hard at making this a reality, something that we all leave behind for future generations.